Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. What's your favorite YouTube channel?
RVerTV.
And where are you guys from?
Montana.
Columbus.
Nice. Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. There's Arizona Sun RV Park. They still got sites left. Check them out. Still November. Call them up if you're looking for a place to stay this season. Check out Arizona Sun. Give them a call. Alright, we're going to make a right up here on East Quail. I got to run over to the tire shop. Then we're going to head out to the desert. Alright, make a right here on Wriggles. Look how crystal clean the sky and the ground is. We had quite a bit of rain last few days. Alrighty, here we go. I get asked a lot what I recommend around here, where I stop. I'm going to tell you where I usually stop and shop. Just me personally. I mean, everyone has their own choices. Like right here on the left, there's Arco. Basically, it's about the cheapest fuel in town. Very easy access, and it's the least busy because they're way out here on the east end of town. And to me, that's just good. Like you take this Chevron up here, they're usually 10 cents more a gallon, and they are packed, literally packed. I know some people don't care for Arco fuel. It doesn't bother me. I've been running it for years. So, alright, let's make a right on Main Street. Check it out, that RV dealer there did not show up on the corner. Neither one of these guys. Look up here on the right. It is now a park and sell lot. So there's two dealers so far. I mean, we're almost December. They should be starting to stage. No one's staging. So I bet they're not coming back. It's tough to sell. Now this guy up here on the left, he's out of Arizona, from eastern Arizona. He's here every year. But other than that, that's the only dealer in town that's set up. Alright, check out the building on the right. That used to be a department store. Some guys turned it into a storage unit. Well, wish him luck. Okay, here's I don't do dollar stores. I rarely go in them. One thing, there's never nothing for $1. And it's junk. So I rarely go in there. If I got to get that kind of stuff, I usually wait till I go up to Walmart. If I get food, it's usually here at the Coyote place. That's usually where I'll get my food. Roadrunner's okay, they're just always so busy, but normally I shop at that Coyote thing. But both markets, they pretty much got everything there. Okay, you can see the dealer there on the left. I don't name them. I do not recommend them. It's starting to get a few rigs. And more gas stations, whatnot. Alright, we're going to go up to American Custom Tire. I have my good friend David, he's the manager there, known him a long time. Takes care of all the rigs. They were fixing me up a spare tire for Dusty Nugget. I'm going to pick that up before I go get the buggy. And maybe we'll do a few pictures. Yeah, and that's kind of where I shop. Now another place I stop a lot, up here where the yellow tank is, K&B Tool. He opened up in the metal building back there. He's got everything for like hardware type stuff, RV supplies. Then also Ken's Discount Grocery back in there. I buy coffee, paper towels, all that kind of stuff from Ken. All the other ones I don't care for, but Ken is definitely a good one to stop. Really nice guy. He needs a business. Stop in, see Ken, and say hi. Make sure you mention RVerTV. Okay, here is the downtown area of Quartzsite. Steve Hardy's. There's a good place. He's got great gifts for Christmas. All right, see the blue building? Here we are, American Custom Tire. All right, I'm gonna get out. Well, I'll shoot a few pictures. I'll show you what it is here. I'll be back. Okay, I get all my oil change here, everything here at American Custom. They've been taking good care of me, tires and oil, everything on all my rigs. They are a family-owned business, 1300 West Main Street. They're open 6 days a week, from about early morning to evening. They got batteries, all kinds of stuff. Plus, they'll do other mechanic and things. You got to talk to David. See all the lifts in there? They got welding. There's Dave, the manager. Cool guy. Tires, balancing, you name it. Even ATV stuff. You can get parts. They'll order it for you. Okay, let's take a quick aerial look. Up we go. You can see they got several bays. Can always get in. There's the Green Restaurant. And Yuck Donald's. They're right across the street. There's Q Mountain. Straight out. Very difficult flying down here with all the power lines. Huge power lines here. Okay, swing around. There's a good shot of the building. There's American Custom Tire. There's me in the van in the back. I'm out of here. I'm about going to go up, get the buggy, and then we are going to head to the desert. Anyway, I always drive by, talk about them. There they are, American Custom Tire. Stop in, see these guys. I highly recommend them. Tell them you've seen it on RVerTV. All right, let's get landed. Go get the Dusty Nugget, and away we go. All right, all fixed up. Just got a plain old rim, brand new, and a good tire. That's all I need for a spare. All right, there it is. There's Dusty, and it's dirty. Got the spare sitting in there with the fuel can. Put locks on it. Got a spare on the trailer now, so I'm pretty much set in case I get a flat. All ready to rock and roll. Basically today, I'm just gonna go out, Dome Rock. We'll stop, get a permit, because the next couple weeks I'm gonna be staying around out in the desert around the Quartzsite. All right, hi-ho, away we go. Something like that. Alrighty, yeah, Dome Rock, there's a boondocking, huge Facebook boondocking group staging out there. They're gonna take up a chunk of real estate. A bunch of the people from the van build are coming down and they're getting set up. It's gonna run through December 7th. I told them I'd come out. I don't know, this week is Thanksgiving, so I'll be taking a few days off for that. But probably the following weekend, I'll be out there quite a bit filming. Back through downtown here. Once again, a big shout out to American Custom Tire. Thank you guys for that spare tire. Appreciate it. They fixed me up well there. Good prices. Alright, we'll make a left up here. You know, this main event closed down. They used to have vendors there. He doesn't do it anymore. In the heyday, that was the main attraction in Quartzsite. You couldn't get through this area of town. Now it's all over on the other side of the interstate. Okay, here is the world famous exit 17. And I mean world famous. Every truck in the country knows this one. It's Quartzsite, it's basically a truck stop town. You got Love's on this side and Pilot on where we just passed. Alright, we're going to make a right up here on Dome Rock Road. In this state, you know, they got a Chester's Chicken, they got Subway in there. You can get quite a few supplies in Love's there. They keep claiming they're going to put a Denny's and that kind of stuff in here every year, but no one ever, you never see it. Nothing ever happens. There's the old car dealer with all the old classic junk cars there. Alright, we're going to head on out. I think the first stop will be to the camp host. I want to get a permit, make myself legal, and then we'll go find a place to park. Then next video, we'll go out and maybe run over the mining claim. There's jumping jack out here. We'll check that out and see how many RVers are camped out here. Okay, there's that Super 8. I read where that's for sale. They want over $1 million for that thing. Been there forever. That's the only real motel in town. You got that Stagecoach stuff. They're tiny, but that's it. I always thought Quartzsite could have something bigger, you know, like a Best Western or one of them guys. It would probably fill up, especially along these exits here, because the truckers, they use it. Quartzsite needs to do something with this road too. It is really getting broken up. Look at all the patch marks. They keep throwing asphalt in it. Town should do a better job maintaining that. Look at this. My goodness. And this is a Quartzsite street here. Until you get up to Chola. Just past Chola, then you're out of the town limits. There's a huge mine shaft right there to the left, right there in that little pull off there. You can explore that mine shaft there too. Alright, here's Chola Road, goes up to Rainbow Acres. And just past this will be the camp host for Dome Rock. These properties here on the left are for sale. Once again, back in the heyday, these places were packed. Look at that. There's an old deserted RV park. They're all for sale. Been for sale for years and years. Most real estate is for sale around here for years and years. Okay, see where the flag is flying. I see people. That's where I'm going to get my permit. Pull in there, because I'm not spending tonight, but when I come back, the permit's good for 14 days, so I'll be plenty. I'll stay in the van out here. Okay, kind of rough here. Alright, I'm gonna get parked, go get my permit. I'll be right back. Alright, never seen one. There's a 14-day permit for BLM land. There's no fees or anything, just license plate number and all that. Away you go. Good through the 6th. Alright, well, I'm not camping today. I'm gonna cut back down to Chola, I think. I'm just gonna park at the far end, unload Dusty, and go for a ride. But once again, I will be in and out of this area through the 7th of December. Going to bring the metal detector out next weekend. I have it with me. And truthfully, I'm no expert at metal detecting at all. I really have fun doing it. And this brand new MineLab Equinox 800 is what I have now. The fanciest one I've ever owned, and I don't even know how to set it up good. Anyway, Blake from Miners Depot is gonna help me set it up. I talked to him yesterday. Okay, we're gonna make a right here on Chola. We're just gonna go about a mile and then pull into the BLM land and get going from there. Look at the clouds, isn't that kind of cool? It's like a front coming through or something, huh? It's chilly, in the 60s. I know for most of the country that's warm. Chilly here. Nights are in the 40s, high 40s. Daytime 60s. Kind of windy, breezy. But this kind of winter you'd take any time, wouldn't you? All kinds of groups will be forming out here in the next couple months. Dome Rock is a very popular area. This place here, Dome Rock, probably has, it has cell reception. It probably has the weakest of all the BLM lands. For whatever reason, this west end here. But you still get cell. If you got Verizon, you're fine. All right, let me get pulled in here. I'm gonna get parked. And away we go. All right. Alrighty, well, I hope to see you out here over the next couple weeks. I'll be all over Quartzsite right after Thanksgiving. I'm taking a couple days off for the holiday. Alright. Talk soon.